Hi everyone, today I will going to talk about Rigel. Rigel has another name called Beta Orionis. It's a brighter star in the constellation Orion, the Hunter. Although it has a Bayer designation Beta Orionis, it is almost always brighter than Alpha Orionis, Betelgeuse, which is a variable red giant. Rigel is at the southern boundary of Orion, 15 degrees south of Betelgeuse. These two stars, being near the celestial equator, are visible from most locations on Earth, with visual magnitude 0.18. Rigel is the seventh brightest star in the sky. Rigel is located near Orion's left foot. In fact, in Arabic, Rigel means foot. Rigel has a Chinese name, which is called Shen Xiu Qi, means the seventh of three stars. This mathematically questionable name is due to the fact that in ancient China, the constellation of three stars, Orion, was originally just the three stars in Orion's belt. Later, 4 more stars were added to the constellation, but its name remained unchanged. Rigel is a blue-white supergiant with surface temperature 11,000 Kelvin, about double that of a sun's temperature. Its warmer temperature gives it a bluish-white light that contrasts beautifully with Betelgeuse. The distance between Rigel to the Earth is about 864.3 light-years. Rigel actually shines with a luminosity of 40,000 suns. If the hot star's invisible ultraviolet radiation is considered, its luminosity climbs to 66,000 suns. If Rigel were at the same distance as Sirius, 8.6 light-years, it times the star's mass and 70 times the radius. Rigel is the most luminosity star in our local region, of the most luminous star in our local region of the Milky Way galaxy. Rigel has a neighbor, its neighbor called Rigel B. They separate from it primarily by over 2,200 astronomical units. Rigel B shows no orbital motion, but is clearly physically related. Having the same radial velocity, Rigel B is spectroscopic binary. Rigel B contains 2.5 and 1.9 solar masses. This means Rigel B is still massiver than the Sun, but not that massive like how Rigel A compared to the Sun. Rigel A is also slightly variable, caused by the physical position of its surface, as is common to supergiants, with rotational period 22 all the way to 25 days. It is just 1 day more than the rotational period of the Earth. Rigel is also associated with the Orion constellation nebula, the prettiest nebula in my mind. Orion constellation nebula is almost twice as far away from Earth. With an ordinary mass around 17 times the Sun's, Rigel is process of dying. It has most likely finished fusing hydrogen into helium in its core. It will quickly expand to become a red supergiant only in a few million of years. The size of Rigel when Rigel becomes a red supergiant, and the color of Rigel will be the same as what the Betelgeuse looks like today. I'm about like the Alpha Orionis star Betelgeuse. But Betelgeuse isn't the brightest star anymore in Orion constellation. Okay, and instead fusing helium into carbon and oxygen, Rigel will quickly explode, become a supernova. Rigel is a very short-lived star. Rigel will not survive on the universe like how Sun normally survive on the universe. The age of Rigel is very small. I mean, it's very young. It's not even in 1,000 million years. Not like how Sun, okay? Alright guys, hope you like my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye!